Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Audi TT, which is coming for a brand new Armytrix exhaust to be fitted. But before we get into that, we've got to make sure we know exactly how much power and performance this TT is producing. So let's get it strapped down and send it for a run. So after its first run, we can see this TT is running 342 brake horsepower and 421 Newton meters of torque. But before we start taking it apart, let's find out what the stock exhaust sounds like. This Armytrix is a Valvetronic system, and that means when you want to put the car in a bit more reserve mode and get a bit more restrained and quieter, you can push a button and do just that. Closing some of the valves reduces the noise from the exhaust, but when you want it to drive a bit more enthusiastically and you want it a bit more shouty, then pushing another button will do that too. So the team have got the stock exhaust off, and it's time for the team to fit this Armytrix exhaust. So the team are underway with the installation of this high quality stainless steel exhaust, which should give our Audi an increase of 15.3 horsepower, 17.4 Newton meters of torque, and decrease the overall weight of the vehicle by 4.8 kilograms. So the exhaust system is in and all wired up, and it's time now to find out exactly what that sounds like. What a change! And if you think it's time to get an Armytrix exhaust fitted to your car, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.